Why do we make excuses, even when we know we're wrong? It's a question that sits at the heart of our human experience, challenging our understanding of ourselves and our beliefs. This is where cognitive dissonance comes into play, a mental struggle we face when holding two conflicting beliefs, leading us to justify actions rather than admit we're wrong. Take a moment to journey back to the biblical times. Remember Peter? Jesus, with gentle forewarning, said to him, "Before the rooster crows, you will deny me 3 times." Yet Peter, firm in his belief, insisted he never would. But as the night unfolded, fear took hold, and Peter did exactly what he vowed against. This story isn't just a tale from the past. It reflects a pattern we see in our own lives. How often do we find ourselves confronted with mistakes or sins, only to cloak them in excuses? Do we choose repentance and growth, or do we seek justification to ease our discomfort? Now, let's turn the mirror inward. Have you ever justified something you knew was wrong? This is an invitation to reflect and share your thoughts. Let's start a conversation in the comments below. Together, we can explore these moments of dissonance and strive for greater self-awareness and honesty in our lives.